My dear children, this is the same module. Here we are going to discuss about how to create a data frame using a dictionary of series. A dictionary of series. Look at the example given. Import pandas as PD. Name equal to pd.series. Here we are creating a name object which is in the type of series, and we are giving the values like Hardik and Virat. That is the famous name. I know you are very interested to know the name Hardik and Virat. Then team is, again we are creating a series, that is MI and RCB, and we are creating a dictionary with the two series. Here the first name which is given in the red color is what? Is a key, and name is a list of values, that is a series, that is called a value. We already studied about dictionary. Dictionary is a key value pair which is separated with the commas. It is a pair of key and value. Key and value will be separated with a colon. That we already studied in our +1 portion. Dear children, here the name which is given in the red color is nothing but the key, and the next name that is given in the small letter is nothing but the values. The value are in the type of series. The next one, team, is a key, and the team which is in small letter is a value. That value is in the type of series. So look at the next statement, df equal pd dot data frame of dict. So we are try to create a series along with the dictionary. That dictionary is used for creation of the pandas. Now let us check it out how the output of that data frame will be. Here the last statement is to print the data frame. So we can know the structure of data frame, how it is stored in the memory. Look at the output. Here we are having the index as 0 and 1. That is not given by us. But look at the column name and team. The name and the team which is given in the first row, that is nothing but the key of the dictionary. Key of the dictionary. But the values which are under name column are nothing but the series which we provided as values for that particular key. And the team is the key, MI and RCB are the series. So how we can create a data frame using a dictionary of series is given in this example. Then another example we should have to discuss is a data frame from list of dictionaries. Look at the example given. Import pandas as PD. Here L is the dictionary or a list of dictionary. Here we are having list of dictionaries. So how this values comes? Name Sachin, surname Bhadwaj. Then name Vinod, surname Verma. Name Rajesh, surname Mishra. Like that we had given list of dictionaries. So what is the key of all the dictionaries? Name and surname. And we are having the values in a different datas. And we are trying to give that data frame, that is list of dictionaries. The previous one we had discussed like dictionary of series. But this is something else, that list of dictionaries, one or more dictionaries in a list. one or more dictionaries in a list. Here L represents list. So here we are trying to give that list as a dictionary. Then that list is given as a data frame. So how will be the answer? The output will be name Sachin, Vinod, Rajesh, surname that we had given in the values of the surname. So look at the column name. Here also we are getting the column name as name and surname as keys. That is, name and surname are keys. So how the data frame takes keys as column names and the values which is given along with the keys are considered to be the row values. So my dear children, try to create a data frame like this. You can create or you can make a data frame with your own dictionary which is having a list. And one more thing, in this module we had discussed two types of creation of data frame. One is with the dictionary of series and another with a list of dictionaries. Try these two programs in your Python software. Either you can try in your system or in the phone itself. The next one we will discuss in the next module. Thank you.